So guys, today we are discussing the chapter called as entrepreneurship. In that entrepreneurship, mainly one called as qualities will be obtained. So in that qualities of this entrepreneurship, in that qualities first we have discussed the creativity and innovation. First quality of entrepreneurship. As we know that creativity and innovation means generating the ideas. That is ideas. In this creativity qualities, the entrepreneurship first will need to understand the basic needs of the problem or basic the customer, then it will generate a idea. That is creativity and innovation. Innovation means something something we have to offer or something we have to generate. So in this creativity qualities, first the entrepreneurship needs lot of information about the product, the process and the basic needs. All together they will generate a new idea or a number of ideas. So we can now the idea will generate into the product or a output. Number of ideas into number of products will happen. So first the qualities will be the creativity and innovation. Next is second one, that is risk taking. As we know, any work or any process is having starting trouble or a starting problem. So the entrepreneur will resolve this problem and further move to the next process. In this risk taking qualities, the entrepreneur will face the problem, that is lack of quality of work. Lack of quality of work. So if the entrepreneur is facing risk-taking qualities or risk-taking qualities resolution, then it will move to the further steps. That is, the quality will be very easy to him. Qualities. Next, the third one, initiative and drive. So initiatives means again it is related to the ideas, generation of ideas. So guys, first the entrepreneurship have some initiatives in them. Then only he will move the product. If the entrepreneurship should not have initiative quality, then there is a lot of problems in this. So guys, first the entrepreneurship makes the quality, that is initiatives. How they can take initiatives or how they can feed the ideas, then they can produce the ideas into products very usefully. So that is a generation, translate the ideas into action. Translate ideas into action. So we know that the ideas is directly proportional to initiative and drive. That is, translate the ideas into action. So the entrepreneurship is follow the qualities of initiative and drive very carefully and very safely here. Then the fourth one comes, that is persistence. Friends, as we know, all of them working in an industry should not got the success very easily. So because there is a lot of problems will occurs first stage. So if we can resolve or solve that problem at the first stage, then we can go to the next step or second stage. Some of them are facing the first attempt problem all the startup industries nowadays. If the entrepreneurship have a persistence quality in that or in them, persistence quality in them, then he can go easily in a better way to the next step. It is a first attempt success achievement. That is achievement. So next qualities, that is fifth one, self-confidence. All are saying that self-confidence is very important. What it is? We know the word that is self-confidence, but we should not adopt them or we should not know in depth of self-confidence. Self-confidence means the ability of smart work of the entrepreneurship, mainly called as a ability of work. If the entrepreneurship or if an entrepreneur is some good qualities or some better qualities in them, they can work very easily with the products, with the process or with the work. If the entrepreneurship should not have self-confidence in them, then the whole process will collapse. If the entrepreneur or if a startup worker should have more self-confidence in them, then he can got success very usefully with the work of smartness in them, that is ability to achieve. Then last but not the least, that is problem solving orientation. Sixth one, problem solving means at the beginning stage of the process or a work, some little bit problems will occur for the startup companies, like budget or a raw material, other related problems. If the entrepreneur should have this quality of problem solving orientation in them, then the process will move very smoothly and in a better way. If the entrepreneur should not have this problem solving orientation in them, then a small problem will in them or this small problem will convert into very big problem like a budget. Small scale industries will small scale industries invest the small amount of money to the startup companies. If this small problem will generate into bigger problem, then they cause the budget problem in them. So the entrepreneur should have this problem solving orientation, then the process will move very quickly and all of the small problems will resolve very easily. Then the product or the process is quickly complete within time in that. So qualities number 1 to 6 is a basic steps in the entrepreneurship or a basic qualities in them. After the problem solving orientation qualities, the next will be quality of work. Guys, first we know that the quality of work, the number of working of an entrepreneur will cause a more to in the product, because if the entrepreneur should apply n number of qualities in a work, then it will improve the better performance of the product. The quality will decide a bit in a product, because all the customer will know the quality of work, how much is there. So if the quality will be more in a product, it will sell more in the market. That is standard excellence. Standard excellence. And the next quality will be goal setting. A proper goal will have a better work for entrepreneur will happen. If the entrepreneur should not know the goal or should not know the final value of a product, it plays a more problem in that. If the entrepreneur should already know the goal, then it will work with a very proper takes place. That is goal setting. The goal will cost more a product. That is purpose of work. If the entrepreneur know the work and a purpose, then it will make a product with a better quality, with a better amount, and with a better proper time. If he should not know the goal, then it will place a major problem in that. It is purpose of work. If the entrepreneur already know the purpose, then the time will be very clear for them to work with a very proper moments, with very proper qualities, and budget is already known for them. If the purpose is not clear for him, then the final product will be more. Then the company will go under the losses happens. So the most important quality is goal setting for the entrepreneur. The next will be opportunity seeking. Guys, if an entrepreneur is a very smart worker, then he will catch the opportunities in the business lines. So in the business line, if he catches the one opportunity, then it will converts into the profits, that is profit making. Industry will work for the profit, should not for the loss. So if the entrepreneur is an opportunity seeker, then they will convert the amount or they convert the budgets into profit. So the entrepreneur should have all these quality in them, so he can have a very better improvement or in a small or in a very required